This is a trolling motor bracket I helped my buddy Robert build for his kayak. We're going to use these well nuts for the rudder bracket and the well nuts that hold the handle on that you lift the kayak up with. Because that's where the handle went. And you can lift up that handle and lift up the kayak. That's going to hold a lot of torque for this angle. Here we're taking measurements for the pieces to cut. We use 3/16" width aluminum and 60/61 channel.
Have to go all the way either. You know, it could be a little bit shy. It doesn't matter because it's going to be a...
Now we need to cut the sections to be welded together. File the sharp ends off?
Yeah. I think it'll cut you if you don't.
Oh, I know.
Not yet.
This is the angle that is going to support the trolling motor, and it also is going to have a piece of board bolted to it. We added a shim to help level out the bracket. Now we're ready to take it to get welded.
Well, I could go right in here. Let me get a hammer so I can tap on that.
Now that we have the welded bracket back, we need to drill the holes now. Here we're installing the finished trolling motor mount. Yeah, that's pretty solid.
Alright, ready to cut this? Alright.
What?
Board got twisted around.
Oh.
I got it.
Fits good. Got a wood backing on it. And then we're in the progress of hooking up the electrical. Thanks for watching and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.